Okay, guys, uh, I'm back again with a new topic, that is arithmetic progressions. As you can see that this is algebra and arithmetic progression is a third chapter, right? So before starting this arithmetic progression, I would like you all uh, what is the meaning of that arithmetic progression? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. The meaning of arithmetic progression is that suppose you have a sequence of number, for example the natural number starting from 1 to any number till suppose 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this is your number which you have. So this is natural number. So can you think over here, the number is what they have given over here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? This is the natural numbers. See, आपको यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा कॉमन कुछ लगता है, कुछ ऐसा? कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस इज हियर? द वन, सी वन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू, दिस एंड देन दिस, ये सब के बीच में डिफरेंस कितना है? दैट इज़ वन, right? So here the common difference, we denote that common difference with the small letter, that is D. If you have difference, common difference, मतलब सबका डिफरेंस कैसा है? कॉमन है. जैसे यहाँ पे कैसा 1 आ रहा है, जब आपको ये कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या कांस्टेंट मिलता है, एक मिलता है, फिक्स रहेगा. अगर वो नंबर से 1 दिया है तो 1 आया सब में. So at that time you can say that your sequence, whatever the list, whatever the number you have, it is an AP. वो AP है. That means arithmetic progression. I think this is clear to you all, right? Okay. So अभी now what we have to understand term. In AP क्या होता है ना कि जो ये स्टार्टिंग वाला जो टर्म है, राइट, दिस इज़ फर्स्ट टर्म. तो हम लोग इस फर्स्ट टर्म को ऐसे लिखते हैं T1, that is T of 1, and then this is second term, so you can say, right, T of 2, then T of 3, T of 4, and so on, right? This is the way, and this is also denoted by a letter, that is small letter A. Just keep this into mind, okay? So we'll go ahead and now we'll solve the questions. See what they have given over here. In exercise problem set C, can you see this? Practice set 3.1, which of the following sequences are AP? If they are in AP, find the common differences. Okay, I'll solve the first questions. First questions में क्या बोला है कि इसमें से कौन सा sequence AP है? अगर AP है, if they are AP, so find the common differences. Okay, so we'll just start working on it. First question, what they have given: 2, 4, 6, and then 8, right? Only this one. Can you compare this number? This is your T, this is your T of 2, second term, then this is your third term, and this is your fourth term, right? As we know that. Okay, now what we have to do, we just find the differences between them. If there is difference between them are common, we can say that it is an AP. So now this is T. How we can find out the next value of the D? So see, D is equals to whatever the number, second term should be subtracted with the previous one, that is T of 1. So now here T of 2 is your 4. So just write over there 4 and then minus 2. How much you are getting? 2. Right? Similarly, again just find out difference. Now instead of this T of 2, what you have to take? Just go ahead, take this one, that means T of 3. Again just subtract previous, that is T of 2. T of 3 के पहले क्या है? T of 2. So likewise you'll have to do. Now 6 minus 4, how much? Again 2. Here also you are getting 2. Similarly, just you'll have to write T4 minus T3. So 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. So from this, can you see over here 2, 2, सबका डिफरेंस कैसा आ रहा है? 2 आ रहा है. मतलब कॉमन डिफरेंस इज योर 2. ये कांस्टेंट है, सबका सेम आ रहा है. सो दिस इज इन AP. सो यू कैन ईजिली राइट ओवर देयर. हियर just write over there, here common difference common difference is constant, therefore it is an AP. And then just write the CD, common difference, that means D is equals to 2. Is this clear? Okay, this is the way to check if your sequences are in AP or not. Yes, ये एक वे हो गया चेक करने के लिए. So similarly you'll have to do from question number 2 to 8, right? वो भी सेम ही ऐसे सॉल्व होगा. So I think you are able to do now, right? So we'll move ahead and we'll see the second question. That means second question is write an AP whose first term is A and common difference D in each of the following, right? हम लोग को क्या करना है यहाँ पे, एक AP मतलब सीक्वेंस बनाना है. AP का सीक्वेंस we'll have to make it out. How we can make it out? They have given the value of A, मतलब starting term they have given, starting value they have given, and the difference between them, right? Common difference they have given. So it is easy. If you have a common difference, you can easily add on that number with the first term and you'll get the answer. So now what they have given, we'll do. A is equals to 10 they have given and D is equals to 5. Since this A is our T1, so you can just write over there 10. So next term, that is T of 2. How you can calculate whatever the T1, right? A, T1, that means A plus D. So you have A, that is 10, and you have D, that is 5, right? So how much? 15. So your second term you will be having 15 and likewise you'll have to do it. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है कि हम लोग को कब तक करने का, यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है. दे डोंट हैव स्पेसिफाई ओवर हियर टिल हाउ मेनी यू हैव टू डू इट, कहाँ तक आपको करना है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट डू इट विथ एटलीस्ट 4. ठीक है, कम से कम 4 तक निकाल देगा. उसके बाद डॉट 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 यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट डाउन ओवर देयर, डॉट 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 डॉट. ओके, अगर आपने स्पेसिफाई किया है सो इट इज़ वेल एंड गुड. अगर स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है तो भी आप 4 तक निकालिए और उसके बाद डॉट 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 रख सकते हैं. ओके, I think this is clear to all. Similarly you can just add on. Now अभी T of 3 you'll have to calculate T of 3. So now instead of this just write over there T2. ये जो आंसर आया रहेगा उसी में हम लोग 5 प्लस कर देंगे, राइट? 15 प्लस 5 दैट इज़ 20. यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. अदरवाइज दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या होगा हमारे पास, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, से आई टेल यू. दूसरा ऑप्शंस विल बी you have, this is 15, right? So T of 2 is equals to A plus 2D, right? So A is 10 and then 2 into 5. So 10 plus 10, that is 10, that is 20. This is the another way you can do it. Similarly for the next term, A plus 3D, just make it 3. So it will be like 15, so 25. Now you can see that here this A and the difference between them are 5. So this is common difference is 5. Is this clear? Okay, we'll move ahead now. Similarly you can do question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, सेम वैसी है. ओके, अभी आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में बोला है फाइंड द टर्म्स फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग AP. अब नीचे जो दिया है क्वेश्चंस हियर, हम लोग को यहाँ पे AP है या नहीं ये नहीं बताना है. ऑलरेडी इट इज़ इन AP बताया है वहाँ पे कि जो नीचे दिए गए क्वेश्चंस है दे आर इन AP. ओनली विल हैव टू फाइंड फर्स्ट टर्म, दैट मीन्स T of 1 और यू कैन से A और कॉमन डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम. ओके, सो इट इज़ ईजी, राइट? यू हैव 5, 1, -3 -7. The first term is this one only. So here the first term you can say 5. Now the common difference, how you can find out the common difference? D is equals to T of 2 minus T of 1. So what is T of 2 here? 1 minus 5 is equals to -4, right? नाउ सी, वापस से सेकेंड वाले में -4 आ रहा है या नहीं, ऐसे चेक करके देखना पड़ेगा आपको. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, just check it out. For d is equals to t of 3. Okay, just d is equals to t of 3 minus t of 2. So what is t of 3 over here? -3, right? Then -1. So minus minus will become plus, that is -4. Again you are getting same thing, right? So this is your common difference and phi is your first term. I think this is clear to you all. Yeah, this is the way to solve your AP. In this exercise we have only learned how you can find out that your sequence is in AP or not. If your sequence is in AP, just find out the first term, common difference you can find out. ये सब चीज़ें हम लोगों ने इसमें सीखा है, और बाकी का हम लोग अभी आगे और भी है हमारा, that is in 3.2 we'll do in the next lecture. Thank you.